Hello traders, this is Mac Billion. Today is February 21st, 2017, and let's talk about coal miners. Today, I choose the 5 coal miners that I think are about to make a nice move for you to make money. So let's put aside your opinion or whatever you think is going to happen, and let's look at the chart because that's what you should be looking, the chart, not your opinion, not anybody's opinion. So let's start with WLB. WLB, which is Westmoreland Coal Company, right here is trying to break out the Fibonacci 1926. So that's the key number. He tried to break out back in December, as you can see here, and he failed the next day. Let me zoom this out. He break out, it confirms, but it was a fail, and it start moving down again. But you can see here the door is open because it break out and confirm. So that's when I say the door is open, so it will be easier the next time we go to this level. Then at the end of January, it went there or near that Fibonacci level, but it start moving sideways and to the downside. But remember the major move with this one, I think this is just consolidation for the next move, and that's why I wanted to put it on my list because I think this one is about to make a move probably to $24. That will be my first target. Right now, DMI is bearish, but it's just consolidating right here below 1926. So let's see what happens. Now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about CLD. CLD is another coal miner. This is Cloud Peak Energy. As you can see here, it looks like a cup and handle, sort of a cup and handle, and you see the resistance in this trend line. You see the support at $5.27. So this is a kind of stock that if you enter right here or you enter on the breakout, you got to respect the $5.27 Fibonacci support. If you break down below this level, you have to get out. You can even give it a $5 if you want to give it some room. So put a stop loss at $5. DMI is bullish and ADX is not about 20 but it's trending. Meaning something is cooking right here and for the next move, and it's going to be a nice move right here. So the key level to watch is this trend line. This trend line right here, if you break out, or let's say if you break out about 640, I will think this is gonna move to the $10 or to the $15. I think this is setting up for a nice move. So you should have this one in your watch list, CLD. Now let's talk about another one. Let me see. Let's talk about CXC. So this is SunCoke Energy. SunCoke Energy, as you can see, this is a beautiful chart because as soon as I made it, all the price came to my Fibonacci like it was made for the chart. Like I made it for the chart, but it was perfectly. You see everything placed, and this is a nice, very nice chart for Fibonacci. Fibonacci 1325 is the target right here, and it's right at the support line. So you can enter right here because it's right at that support trend line, and use this trend support as your stop loss. If you break down below this trend support, you have to jump out. You have to be disciplined, and you have to jump out. Now you can also wait until it break out $10 because it's $10.63 because the Fibonacci 61.8 retracement, and have a target at 1325 and a next target on 5086. I think right now the DMI is neutral, but the setup right here and the strong trend line I think is moving to the next make another major high upside to the 1586. So keep an eye on this one, XXC. Now let's talk about another one that I have on my list. I have, let me see, what is this one? CNX. This one, you see that all the coal miners look like this. It went up. They were trending for many years, tending at these levels, very, very nicely until it break down. That was in 2014. This one break down, and from $47 to now it's trending at $6. It went to $6 and now it's trending at $17, between $22 and $15. It has been trending there since August 2016, moving sideways between $22 and $15. So right here, the key number you need to be patient is $22. If you want to get short below 15 is another key number. Right now, it looks like it's bearish because the DMI is bearish, the minus directional is leading, and ADX is at 25. So this one, I will put it on my watch list for sure because DMI is bearish. If you break down below $15, you have to get short because I think it's gonna go and retest the $6, 6.4. So there you have a bullish idea. So you have to be open mind. Doesn't matter what people say. Like people say, oh, the coal miner is bullish now. No, look at the chart. Some of them are gonna go up. Some of them are gonna go down. If you trade the chart, you're gonna be making money with price, not with opinion. Now let's talk about the last one. I think I have this is the last one I have. It says ARLP. So this one also is, you see, similar chart. It went up for many years, moving nicely until 2014. It break down and it went from $50 to $9 until it bounced, and now it's trending between $25 and $20. So right there you have a Fibonacci resistance key number 2534. It tried 3 times, 4 times, but it hasn't confirmed. So that there you have your key level. If you break down right here, you have to get along because this one can move nicely. DMI is bullish and ADS is trending up. Let me zoom this out. So you see this trend, the ADS is trending up, and it make a move right here, and you see the trend line right here to make a move about 25.34. So I give you 5 stocks for coal mining. I give you the levels, the key levels. You just need to be patient and enter at the right moment. Try to enter when there is a confirmation the second day, not the first day that the stock or there is a, like right here, it could break out right here. You don't enter. You wait for the next day until it goes about yesterday highs. But be careful. If it fails, you have to get out. That's the only thing. You have to be really patient. If it fails, you have to get out. You see right here, that was at the end of January. It break out. It was January 27. It break out, but the next day it went down. So trader, this is everything for today. Trade on.